Many young couples come and they are unclear about the idea how a pregnancy occurs. A sperm and egg, how it meets, where it meets, what is happening exactly. They have no clear idea at all. And what point of time they should try for pregnancy, that also they are not clear. So in this video, I am going to tell you about how pregnancy occurs. So this is the uterus, and this is the vaginal area, this is the fallopian tube, and this is the ovary. So every month what happens is certain number of follicles, they get recruited in the ovary, and maybe it may be 5 and 5, it may be 10 and 10. So every month will differ. So when these follicles come to the ovary, in that all the follicles do not grow. Typically only one, that is called as dominant follicle, that only grows in a natural cycle. So the dominant follicle, when it becomes mature and becomes big in size, it will rupture in terms of how the hormone secretion is there. So it has to rupture, and after rupturing, from inside there is a small egg which will come out. So this small egg, when it is coming out, what the tube will do is pick up the egg and then take it to the fallopian tube and wait here. At the same time, if the male and female are having contact, then the sperm will get deposited here in the vagina in front of the cervix. So once it is deposited here, what is important in the sperm is fast moving sperm or progressively motile sperm. So that sperm, what will go, it will happen is it will go up, go to the tube, go through this hole and reach the tube. So once it has reached the tube, it will try to fertilize the egg. So it will go inside the egg, that is called as process of fertilization. Once fertilization has happened, it will change into embryo, that is the previous stage of fetus. So once embryo has been changed to, it will go and then travel till here and then come and sit over here, that is called as implantation. So once it is implanted inside, slowly it will grow into a baby within 9 months, and after that delivery is happening. So this is what is generally happening during the process of a month where the menstrual cycle is starting. Ovulation happens. Ovulation means rupture of the eggs. So what we are seeing in the ultrasound, it is just the follicle. That means egg shell we are seeing, egg we are unable to see because it is microscopic. So in this process only pregnancy happens. I hope this is helpful.